M0FXB. Did you know that if you're running the MD380 with TYT tools, it will actually talk to you in Morse code? So I'm going to show you that. So just push your hash key here and go down to settings or setup. Then go down to mode. See mode? Select on, so green button, enable it. Then go down, you can choose words per minute, I've got 15, and pitch, okay? And that's it, it's now telling us what the function is on the screen. So if we go down, and it just starts to do it. There's a bit of a pause. Just wondering what it does when it's on the normal screen. So I back out, we're on this screen. Change channel. Oh. So that's just giving us the number, isn't it? Giving us the channel number. Let's go menu. Good way of learning your Morse, isn't it? So there you go, thought I'd show you that. And you can disable it, just go back up. Back to where the settings were. Setup, mode, and then just disable it. I've noticed it's got some numbers there as well. I'm not really sure what that does. And it's got verbose. Let's go up one, select that, off. Okay, wow, thought I'd show you that. Bye for now, 7-3, all the best.